In this session, we explore the mechanics of miraculous extension. We will use visual models to explain how healing is transferred, as described in A Course in Miracles. Our goal is educational, to clarify the inner dynamics of mind, perception, and relationship that make genuine healing possible. Here, we distinguish levels. The mind is the true cause. The body is only effect. Sickness arises when we confuse these levels and treat the body as cause. A miracle corrects perception, restores the mind to its rightful place, and reminds us that spirit, not the body, is the altar of truth. The first requirement for a miracle worker is self-acceptance of atonement. To heal, we must be released from fear and deny the mind any destructive role. When we accept that our mind can only create constructively, its power is redirected from attack to healing, for ourselves and for others. This slide warns of the unhealed healer. When we still believe we are guilty, we try to give what we have not received. We diagnose others as sinners, focus on error, and make sickness real in our own mind. The outcome is shared fear, not healing. Effective help requires a healed premise. We now compare two therapeutic frameworks. The ego-based healer studies the problem, makes it real, and tries to fix it with personal strength, which sustains fear. The true therapist, symbolizing the Holy Spirit, looks past the error, allows healing to occur, and extends equal blessing to all. Healing transfers at the point of the holy encounter. When your mind and your brother's mind join around a single shared idea, the Holy Spirit occupies the overlap. In that shared space, the physical illusion loses importance, and the true therapist communicates directly to both minds. Forgiveness, in this model, means overlooking. The past is a fog of error that has no power unless we grant it. Through the lens of forgiveness, we deliberately look past this fog and focus only on the indestructible light of innocence. What has no real effect is recognized as non-existent. Here is the mechanism of miraculous transfer. First, the healer accepts the light for themselves. Second, they deny reality to the error they perceive. Third, their certainty allows the light of one mind to extend into another. Finally, witnessing healing in the other reinforces true reality. Miracles confer equal blessing. There is no hierarchy of difficulty because each call for help is met by the same undivided power. The light does not evaluate which problem is greater. It simply answers every request with maximal strength, demonstrating the impartial nature of divine help. The holy instant collapses time. Normally, learning unfolds along a horizontal timeline. When healing occurs, perception shifts vertically into a timeless instant. Both giver and receiver advance far beyond where linear learning would place them, compressing what could have taken centuries. The circle of atonement illustrates that giving and receiving are the same act. As we release others from guilt, we discover our own innocence. The circle has no end. Healer and healed are not separate parties in a transaction, but one mind recognizing and sharing its inherent wholeness. We close with the core principle. The power of one mind can shine into another because all minds share the same divine spark. When you perceive healing in your brother, you are simultaneously affirming it in yourself. In this shared recognition, the work of miraculous extension is complete.